So you got the new Apple MacBook Pro with many groundbreaking features like the Touch Bar, only to discover it doesn't work with any of your devices. You would practically need a dongle for everything. What if there is a sleek, compact adapter for your MacBook that is able to provide all the ports you need? Introducing HyperDrive, the adapter that replaces all other dongles. Now you can connect an HDMI display and a Thunderbolt display, USB-C data, SD memory card, micro SD card, USB 3.0 flash drive, and a USB 3.0 hard drive, all while charging your MacBook Pro at full speed. Stop figuring out how to store and carry your dongles. With HyperDrive, just pack and go. Don't look silly with dongles. Just go with HyperDrive. HyperDrive gets you up and running in no time. HyperDrive is the first hub specifically designed for the new MacBook Pro, utilizing 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports to provide more bandwidth than any other dongle in the market. HyperDrive is made of precision-milled aluminum, available in both silver and space gray to match the MacBook Pro. And the same HyperDrive works with the 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro. These 3 plastic dongles cost over $100 from the Apple Store, but you can get this sleek, ultra-compact aluminum HyperDrive with all the same ports and more, starting at $49, but only through this campaign. So pledge now and be the first in the world to get the HyperDrive.
We're Pluggable Technologies and we do docking stations. And what we're excited to show you in this Kickstarter is our new pluggable Ultimate Type-C docking station. So why do we call it Ultimate? It actually has its own power source and is able to charge any of the coming generation of USB Type-C tablets, laptops, and phones. It's really the first time that you're able to have a universal power supply or a universal docking station that works with everything. The other thing that makes the docking station ultimate is the ability not just to connect one display to your laptop or tablet, but actually connect up to 3 additional displays to any Windows or Mac laptop or tablet that uses the Type-C connector. This is really great for information workers, people doing video editing. If you just want to edit photos at home, you're not trapped on the small screen of your laptop or tablet. It's pretty amazing you can do all of this over this single USB Type-C cable. All the while, your laptop is charging off that same cable. In addition, it has network, it has audio, and it has a bunch of extra USB ports, both the existing Type-A style and new Type-C style, so that you really are future-proofed. We need your help, Kickstarter backers. This is a big project. There's a lot of engineering that goes into it. We have a lot of work to do in refining the prototypes that we have. By backing this project, not only do you get one of the earliest USB Type-C docking stations, and we think the best one that you're going to see in the coming year, you actually help make that technology happen. And I know for a lot of people right now that have purchased the Apple Macbook, which just has a single Type-C connector, they're really searching for that docking station that will help them make the most of that MacBook. So we're excited to get this to you. We hope you'll be one of our first backers and take advantage of some of the early bird discounts that we have. And we look forward to working with you over the next few months to deliver this exciting, pluggable, ultimate USB Type-C docking station.
You've got the hottest new computer. But now, you can't plug in any of your stuff. Your new MacBook shouldn't make the rest of your hardware obsolete. And some things just can't be connected via the cloud. Introducing Hub Plus. Connect all your devices to the new MacBook. Hub Plus is compact and durable, so you can take it with you. Charge up your phone, no matter where you are. We developed Hub Plus in Palo Alto and designed it with our team in Germany. Our manufacturers are on standby. And if you back us today, we'll be ready to deliver on time. Plus, select Kickstarter backers will even receive a bonus mini adapter. Hub Plus, ports, power, portability.
Okay, you have a new 12-inch MacBook, and it's absolutely amazing. Except that single little USB Type-C port is causing you all sorts of frustration. On the go, the MacBook is in its element, wirelessly handling anything you throw at it. But at some point, it's time to sit down at a desk or table and connect to actual wires. For things like displays, scanners, disk drives, printers, flash drives, SD cards, Ethernet, audio and video components, and more. Our Hydra Dock 13-port docking station makes all of that completely seamless. Just put down your MacBook and connect one plug. Everything else is already sitting there, wired and ready. You need to understand that the whole USB world is in a massive transition from the established 3.0 standard to a whole set of completely new standards, including 3.1, Type-C ports and cables, a new power delivery standard, new device configuration standards, video alternate modes, and more. Altogether, it's an astonishing step forward, and Apple was the first to put a completely standards-compliant new USB product to market with the new 12-inch MacBook. We started working in 2014, developing circuitry and establishing supplier relationships for the rare first-generation chips. When the MacBook was announced the next spring, we had the circuitry ready for a 13-port dock, which we sampled and put on Kickstarter. We had over 1,200 backers on Kickstarter, and BackerKit help us push past all sorts of challenges and get to the world's first and only fully standards-compliant multi-port USB 3.1 Type-C dock. Those backers finally began receiving Hydra docks from our January 1,500-unit pilot production run. Now you can get one from our next full mass production run. If you want a proven, solid, future-ready, fully compliant, new USB dock for your MacBook, the Hydra dock is ready and can be in your hands soon. Just place your pre-order here and we'll add it into our total for our next mass production run. There are many misrepresented products out there right now with USB Type-C plugs on them. But underneath, inside, they're just older USB 3 products with a new plug. That means they don't support the new standards. Ours does, and you can see it working for yourself right here, right now. You deserve a great product, and we've put over a year into getting it ready for you. We thank you sincerely for your support and backing of the HydroDock.